Today in our first lecture we are going to discuss about the relation. But relation, to understand, we need to understand two more terminologies. One is ordered pair and other is Cartesian product. Ordered pair is simply a pair of correlated data or information denoted as x, y within braces such that x, y is not equal to y, x. We have already studied in class 9 and 10. In xy plane, you have seen that x is the distance denoted along the horizontal axis and y is the distance along the y direction. This thing can interpret many things in practical life. Okay, so let us see that one example. By taking a graph, suppose this is the graph of a satellite from the point of projection from the Earth's surface. Okay, and this is 4 second. See, at 4 second, the altitude is 29,000 meter. Okay, so now if somebody write 29,000 comma 4, then according to the system of ordered pair, somebody will read as after 29,000 second, the satellite is still at a height of 4 meter from the ground level, near about after 8 hours. So is it possible in practice? Never possible. So these are the importance and ordered pairs. See that after understanding the ordered pairs, we are defining the Cartesian product between two sets. Cartesian product between two non-empty sets A and B is defined as A Cartesian product B is equal to the set of all the ordered pairs A comma B, such that A belongs to A set and the element small b belongs to B set. Or if you write B cross A, then you see that the Cartesian product is the set of all ordered pairs V A, such that B belongs to this B. First, whichever set is coming first, it should be mentioned first. Here BC or BA order. So B belongs to B and A belongs to A. Anyway, whatever you are writing, you must maintain the order. Okay, now let us understand some other important remarks about the cross product. Please, apparently you remember those things. Important remarks. Number 1, we have seen that ordered pairs are written always in order. See that two ordered pairs x, y and p, q are equal if and only if the first element of the first pair is equal to the first element of the second pair and the second element of the second pair is equal to the second element. Okay, this is the second pair, this is the first pair. So y equal to q and x equal to p. This is the condition, very important on the ordered pair. Then number 2, A cross B is read as A Cartesian product B. This is the correct pronunciation, but for simplicity we may read as A cross B, A into B, like that. Okay. Third point is, in general, A cross B is not equal to B cross A, but the number of ordered pairs in A cross B is equal to number of elements in set A into number of elements in set B is equal to number of ordered pairs in B cross A. And then fourth, if A cross B is equal to empty set phi, then either A is equal to phi or B is equal to phi or A is equal to B is equal to phi. Understood? Please remember the results. If the number of elements in A is equal to P and the number of elements in set B is equal to Q, then total number of subsets of the ordered pairs given by very important. Last one more point, we should know that like the ordered pair, if three elements are of this form, then this is called a triple or triplet. These results are very important to remember, for you must remember, because to solve the exam related problem we need all these things, and when we shall go to discuss in detail about the relation, we shall see that what is the importance of that. We are going to end the lecture 1 today just by taking question 1. Whatever we have learned so far, let us solve some problem using those knowledge. Find x and y if the ordered pairs and 17 minus y comma 10 are equal. So whatever we have learned, first of all, that the two ordered pairs will be equal if the first element of the first order is equal to the first element of the second pair, and second element of the first pair is equal to the second element of the second pair. So based on this, let us start solution. Given the ordered pairs 3x comma 2y is equal to 17 minus comma 10. Since this equal to that, therefore the first element will be the equal to the first element and second element will be equal to the second element of the second pair. But don't take the first one, because here x and y are two variables. So better to take the second element first to get the y value directly. So 2y equal to 10 implies it will be y equal to 5. And now take the first element. So and 3x equal to 17 minus y equal to 17 minus 5. Putting the value of y here implies 3x is equal to 12. Implies we are getting x is equal to 12 by 3 means x equal to 4. Thus, x is equal to 4 and y equal to 5. These are the values of x and y for which the given ordered pairs will be equal. Okay. Next we shall solve a problem from cross product, and then we are going to define the relation in details.